A very good evening, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We continue to take a look on what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe without fear, without favor. And we are looking at how rural people are responding to ZANU PF propaganda, ZANU PF machinery, especially those who are preaching the 2030 agenda. In many places, I've observed several videos, and we have seen that the numbers are reducing. In the rural areas, they are usually commandeered to go and attend rallies. But this time around, it seems as if the people who are supposed to be commandeering these people are not happy at all, and they've ceased or they've stopped attending meetings zinechekuita ne2030. Let us take a look onto this one.
Kana 10 maprovince achiti vision 2030 yakanakira president kweni ndorambawo sani ndiri kutaura neMidlands. Isi tisu varidzive munhu tinofana kuti titsigire mabasa makuru anoitwa nemutungamiriri wenyika. Handi ndizvo? Isi tikasavaroverera maoko vanorovererwa nani? Maprovince anofana kutevedzera isisu nokuti tisu varidzive vemunhu. Handiti maona manje? Bedwe ndoramba kuudzai former president vaiva kwaZimbabwe. Handi ndizvo? Tayari tisingatozivi kuti chiwenzi mota kedi chii. Kana ndege taingoti so tichidarika ikona takudzionawo muno nokuti tiri muMidlands. Handi munopaona ipapo. Saka totofarira izvezvo chete because ndo zvatiri. Tatowanawo mukana wokumbotungamirawo nyika yose. Havasi ivo vari.
So look at the numbers who are attending that meeting. In the rural areas, we expected to see hundreds of people attending just one meeting. We have been seeing these meetings in the past in these areas. This is a OMP. Everybody was supposed to be there listening to MP. But just a few people are attending such a meeting where hundreds of people are expected to be meeting. So he has been going around meeting people in that constituency, running the 2030 agenda. But he's failing to have numbers. Why? It's because the structures of ZANU PF, they are disintegrated, they are divided. And some of them, they've chosen to stay away from the 2030 nonsense. And some of them, they are actually declaring their solidarity with VP Chwenga. The reason why they're doing so is because everyone is seeing that this man is collapsing and is falling. This man, we are known the Emerson who has kuzogara for long. And people are beginning to see it, and they've started rejecting him. This is just at the beginning. You are going to see that this man is going to be very, very unpopular. Very, very soon. He's going to be very, very unpopular. And is going to suffer the consequences of his failure. Because go to the rural areas, they fail to deliver. Go to the urban areas, they fail to deliver. So ZANU PF always blames in the urban areas. They always blame the opposition to say, you are running councils. Yet they will be indirectly running those councils because they appoint almost everyone. But if you go to the rural areas where they have 100% appointment and representation in council, and then in at national assembly level, they are doing nothing. Nothing. You go there and look at how their councils are working and how they are operating. That is a man who is claiming kuti ndoda kuenda 2030. Ndeyari kuti hanzi ndinodiwa nevanhu. People are saying ABCD. Zimbabweans, never be hoodwinked by these people. They are liars and they always misrepresent. They don't tell the truth. So the time is coming, the day is coming when these people jump. Ike zvinezvo vachiri kupinda nekubuda vachipinda nekubudaka vachamhanya zvokuti it's going to be very, very interesting, and the nation shall be free. So I have always said never cheer when you see people like Blessed Mhlanga, Comrade Geza's wife, and everyone else are being victimized. Because tomorrow it is going to be you. Look at Sengezo Shavangu. Shavangu was used and dumped. Right now, he has been fired from the party after a full disciplinary hearing, and likely he's going to be recalled very, very soon, because the moment you cease to be a member of a political party, you cease to be a member of parliament again, which means Sengezo Shavangu's recall is coming. Emerson Mnangagwa's history is known. He uses you, he dumps you. He uses you, he dumps you. That is the reason why na Jonathan Moyo vakapesana vakakonana. He used na Jonathan Moyo kucholocho, pazvanga zvakupisa, he dumped them. He dumped all the comrades who fought for him kuti apinde pachigaro. Vese vanatsenengamo, the S. Lumumbas, the Kuda Kwashes, vese akavadhamba akavasiya. And he started appointing zvipukanti pemweje zvake. It's because he doesn't want anybody who is who think independently near him, because munhu anotya kuitwa overshadowed. So it's becoming more interesting when you see these things happening in rural areas. Then just know that it's a signal. So we will continue to speak about change. Change has come to the nation of Zimbabwe. Change is upon us. What we are waiting for are simply the days, the right time for people to actually see things happening on the ground. But I can tell you spiritually, we are in a new season, and let us continue to find ways to make sure that when things get better, uchaenda papi. Politics, we can't all be politics. Politics as basa. You have to get into politics to save. If you want to make money, invest. Find something to invest on, and then make sure that you invest. So I just want to thank you very much, everyone, for coming. And Duatova says time is near. Thank you very much, my brother. And the time is, yes, indeed, very, very near. Very, very soon, the people of Zimbabwe will understand what you're talking about.